Hey everyone, I'm RaDona from Boys and Girls Hairstyles. Today I thought I would take a moment to just show you how I style my hair and how I get it to look from the before picture and the after picture. The before picture, you can obviously see I don't have a lot of hair. It's very fine and thin, so it just lays flat to my head if I don't use product and use the other stuff. So I wanted to show you how I do it. First off, I love the Kendra Mousse. This is for volume and it's the extra. And I put about that much in and then I just rub it good in your hands. And then the biggest key is to get it all throughout your hair. Make sure that if you're in a hurry, because we all are usually, just make sure you please get it evenly throughout, just so it's so it can give your whole head the volume, okay? Then the volume and lift spray. Love this stuff, you guys. If you have fine, thin hair, this will help it. You just squirt, just a few little squirts. It will make your hair look and feel thicker. And when I don't use it on my mom, like if I forget to spray it, it literally will, I'll notice because it just isn't as full. So the volume and lift spray is definitely key if you have fine limp hair. Okay, now I'm going to dry it. So the first, I dry the back. So you can see I'm just drying it. See how I'm using my fingers. It's down. Okay, and then the side. It's going back and forth here so it can have some volume. Okay, now I'm going to turn it on low so you can hear me. Okay, so it's about 80% dry, if you can see that. Then I bring in, this is a technique from Cricut, round brush. Love it. I just start here on the bottom, and then I work my way up. Obviously, if you say you have longer hair, you can take different sections. It's a lot easier to take different sections, so it doesn't take as long. And if you wait till it's 80% dry, you will not pull your hair. This is the other thing that I love. This is the Epic brush. The thing that I love about the Epic brush is anybody can use this. If you have long, thick hair, short, thin hair, any type of hair, you can use this. This is the cute rose gold. I usually have black. If you watch me, I have the black comb or brush. And anyway, I am using the rose gold today. So after I round brush this to give that, so it will stand up a little bit more, then I go back and forth with the Epic brush, back and forth. Okay, make sure it's in that spot. Yep, perfect. It's just standing up. Okay, this GHD Platinum, I absolutely love, you guys. I'm going to show you. I turn it on. When it makes noise, that is when, let's see, it just takes a second.
A few moments later.
Okay, so that's all it took, right? Then I'm just going to come in to heat up. That's all it took to heat up. I love this flat iron, you guys. It is incredible. Okay, then I just come through my front and I bring it down and just all of that up. And then of course this is just dried over. Okay, so yeah, the GHD Platinum, it warms up that fast. And I love it. It's not bad for your hair, so I love that. Okay, styling paste. Love the styling paste, okay? You can see I just take my finger, dip it in there. See, this is about as much as I have. And then I rub it in my hands really good. not just fingertips, but my hands. And then I like to grab at my hair, the top, and then I come through. Let me get close so I can show you. Then I just piece these out for this area. Same thing here. Just kind of piece these pieces out. Okay, now, if everybody has a fine tooth comb, this is what I like to do. So take my fine tooth comb, right? I come back here. This is obviously where I back comb my hair, which that's another thing too, you guys. I've got hair all over. Okay, there we go. I like to hold up. I'm going to come in so you guys can see it. In, down, and out. See that? See that cushion right there? I mean, look at my hair stand up. That's the way I like it. In, down, and out. So a C shape. Okay, and you have that back combing. Okay, so then I spray where the back combing is. Then I take my pin comb, my Wawa comb, and I just start putting it into its place. Okay, that way that back combing stays in, but I'm putting my hair into the spot that I want it. Okay. All right, then, yep, just making sure I have that blonde part over my other part. Okay, now I'm going to check out my back, you guys, in this mirror. See, you can see how I'm just taking this comb to place my hair. Then I just kind of comb this down, place it. And I probably should have put my glasses on so I can see. Literally, you guys, what is happening? I need glasses. This is crazy. Yeah, I go to read anything now and I have to put my glasses on. Yep, not showing my age or anything. Okay, so the hairspray that I love, you guys, is the Bed Head, the Masterpiece. This is a hairspray that will hold your hair. So I do love that. So then I just spray it. Okay, now if you have any questions, let me know. I had a lady ask the other day, does it matter how, you put the paste in your hair? These little things, it really does matter. It's just the little techniques. So if you want to start, take the fingertip and maybe rub it in your fingers first, and then kind of just come up and do little pieces at a time, then that's awesome. When you get more comfortable and you want to just take your whole hands and pull at your hair, then that's great also. It's just getting to know your hair and the product that you are using. If you have product out there that you're using that works, I'd love to hear about it. Or if you have any, if you need suggestions on what, even if, I know I am so sorry. I always talk a lot about volume and stuff because my hair and a lot of my clients' hair is fine and thin. But if you have thick, coarse hair, there are definitely things out there that I can help you with because I obviously have them in my salon to help people. So if you need help with that, let me know. I would love to help. I hope this helped. It's super easy. My hair just, anyway, it's crazy that it can go from, flat to my head to volume and stuff. So, but just knowing the little tricks and products and, brushes and back and forth and things that can help. Anyway, it really does help. So if you guys have questions, let me know. I just thought it would be fun to get on and show you how I do my hair. And hopefully that gives you some tips on how to do your hair. Thanks again for all of your support. It's fun getting to know you. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we will chat next time. Thanks, you guys. Have a good day. See ya.